Good morning, everyone. Myself, Manoj Prasad, Assistant Professor at Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. Today, we're going to discuss about the topic in diathermy. Subject name is Diagnostic and Therapeutic Equipment. Small introduction about diathermy. First of all, what is the meaning of diathermy? Diathermy is a therapeutic treatment commonly prescribed for muscular joint associated pain. Basically, to relieve pain, it is one of the therapeutic treatment device. The term diathermy means through heating or producing deep heating directly in the tissue of the body. It stimulates the circulation, relieve pain, enhance the rate of recovery, healing the tissue. What is the principle of diathermy? Before injury, the dipole molecules of the body tissue are arranged on the basic polarity. When the tissue is damaged, the dipoles distribution become irregular and deviative for polarity based on arrangement. Under the influence of electrical field, they rotate according to the polarity of their change in direction of the field lines and get rearranged and tends to occur at previous stage of polarity. So we know that once we got any sudden accident, the muscle tissue getting very low intensity. So again, we're going to recover that muscle in strengthening. The basic physiotherapy treatment at the same time giving some physical therapy, then only the muscle become strong. So we can use some diathermetic machine by heating to relieve a pain. Once they start up in the physiotherapy treatment, they are getting some pain. We should give a diathermy treatment to relieve a pain easily. What are the challenges of diathermy? As the subcutaneous layer is fatty, the direct delivery of heat to the deep layer of tissue is not possible. So, the diathermy involves uneven and uncontrolled delivery of heat. Therefore, sometimes instead of a target tissue, the same time surrounding tissue also get affected. This is one of the major challenges while we are giving a treatment of diathermy. The subcutaneous layer is fatty, so it can directly deliver the heat is not possible way. So the diathermy involves uneven and uncontrolled delivery of heat. That time what happened? Therefore, sometimes the instant of target tissue, surrounding tissue get also affected. Diathermy. The basic principle and diathermy introduction is over. How the diathermy is working, we can see. Diathermy uses an electric current to produce a heat in deep inside a targeted tissue. It can reach areas as deep as 2 inches from the skin surface. Wherever we are getting a pain, we are attached small pads. With the help of pads, we can inserting a heat into the targeted tissue. The diathermy machine does not apply heat directly to the body. Instead, the current from a machine allow the body to generate a heat from within a targeted tissue. As the heat increases, it promotes blood flow. It can help to improve flexibility in stiff joints and connective tissue. So that is the very important thing. The diathermy does not apply heat directly to the body. Instead of the current from machine allow the body generate a heat with a targeted tissue only. So that heat increases, it promote blood flow. It can also help to improve flexibility in blood flow and stiff joints and connective tissue improvement. What are the benefits of diathermy? Intense heat delivered provides pain relief and better flexibility in particular targeted place. Next one, reduces inflammation, improve circulation. Improving the blood circulation is one of the major benefit of diathermy. Accelerating a heat, the small heat within 20 minutes, it can relieve the pain. What are the types of diathermy? Commonly, there are 4 types of diathermy: short wave diathermy, long wave diathermy, microwave diathermy, ultrasound diathermy. We can see one by one. We already know what is the meaning of diathermy. It is a heating procedure applying some soft tissue or a particular area to relieve a pain. So, in these types of diathermy, based on the patient requirement, we can apply the, we can choose the diathermy type. First, we can see short wave diathermy. First of all, what is the meaning of short wave diathermy? The name itself, we can identify short wave diathermy. In outer area skin or a soft tissue, it getting damaged, we can apply some high frequency electromagnetic energy to generate a heat. It may be applied pulse or continuous energy waves. It used to treat a pain. At the same time, pelvic infections, kidney stones, small hematoma, that and all we can able to use this type of short wave diathermy. It also effective for a condition that cause pain of muscle spasm. So it will be not penetrate in deep level. It outer area skin only can be usable for short wave diathermy. Short wave has 3 main frequency levels. First one is 27.2 megahertz wavelength, 11 meter. It is the most common frequency wave used all type of short wave diathermy. Second thing is 13.56 megahertz wavelength, 22 meter. This based on the patient needed heat level, we can sometimes the fatty tissue we can apply means this type of frequency level may be used. Third one is 40.68 megahertz, 7.5 meter. Next, we can see microwave diathermy. What is the meaning of microwave diathermy? We know that in short wave, in outer area, at the same time, based on 3 main frequency levels, we can apply generated the electrical magnetic energy based on electrical magnetic energy to generate a heat in applied pulse or continuous energy waves. But in microwave diathermy, use microwaves to generate heat in the body. In short wave, what happened? Electromagnetic fields, it generated heat. Based on that heat, we can apply the tissue to relieve a pain. But in this place, microwave diathermy use microwave to generate heat in the body. It can use to evenly warm deep tissues without heating the skin. Now, if people get it, in short wave, what is the main difference between short wave diathermy and microwave diathermy? In short wave diathermy, it will not penetrate in deep tissue. But in microwave diathermy, use microwaves to generate a heat in the body. It can be used evenly warm in deep tissues without heating skin. It is one of the major advantage of microwave diathermy. At the same time, since it cannot penetrate deep muscle, it can be penetrate deep tissues, but it cannot penetrate deep muscle. It best sustained for areas are closer to the skin, such as shoulder pain, neck pain. This type of diathermy used to relieve a pain in very quickly. In microwave diathermy frequency level, we already know in short wave diathermy, three main frequency level. Short wave, the name itself we know already, the level is up to 40.68. But what happened in microwave diathermy? Microwave diathermy is a high frequency electromagnetic radiation lies between infrared and short wave. So there is a frequency range between 300 to 3000 megahertz. Again, I am repeating the frequency range between 300 to 3000 megahertz with corresponding wavelength of 1 meter to 10 millimeter. What are the advantages and disadvantages of microwave diathermy? First, we can see the advantages. The main advantage we already know, it can deeply penetrate tissue, not muscle. The operation of the machine is very simple. Second one is comfortable for the patient. Third one is localized heat to small surfaces. Next, what is the disadvantage in microwave diathermy? Not for deep structures in muscle. We already know that. Heats only one aspect of the joint. Risk to producing a heat time, burning sensation in skin. This is the major drawback in microwave diathermy. Next one is ultrasound diathermy. Ultrasound diathermy use sound waves to treat deep tissues. Heat is generated by vibrations of tissue. So it can be generated in naturally. So it is one of the major ultrasound diathermy nowadays they are using, because in the heat is generated by the vibrations of the tissue. This promote the blood flow into that particular pain area. It is used many type of musculoskeletal sprains, strains, and fractures. After fractures, the person getting a physiotherapy treatment, mostly they are prefer ultrasound diathermy, because we already know ultrasound diathermy uses a sound waves to treat a deep tissues. Heat generated only with the help of vibrations of tissue. So it easily promote the blood flow into the area, in particular area. Next, long term or long wave diathermy. What is the meaning of long term or a long wave diathermy? Is based on a capacitor field method. So either it works heavily voltage fluctuation, long wave can be used as an alternative for a short wave diathermy application. For the patients is not suitable for short wave diathermy, they are preferred for long wave diathermy. Is based on capacitor field method. It can be worked in heavily voltage fluctuation. Long wave mainly used as an alternative method for short wave diathermy. Up to 40.68 megahertz frequency level we are using in short wave diathermy. So If it is not possible to treat a pain in short wave diathermy, the doctor or physician will be preferred in long wave diathermy, because long wave diathermy, it can be applied capacitor field method. Either the plates or a metal used in particular leg or a particular pain area, based on the capacitor field method, it can be worked heavily voltage are applied in fluctuation level. So it can be reduce the pain in fastly. So long wave can be used as an alternative for short wave diathermy. At the same time, it is a portable and light wave diathermy machine. What are the diathermy provides relief in? We already know. Mind to relieve a pain. What type of pain? Mind in diathermy, relief in arthritis. Second, back pain, muscle spasm, myositis, sprains and strains, tendonitis, bone injuries, bursitis. These are the main problems to relieve it with the help of diathermy machine. Mainly we focused in muscle spasms, pain and arthritis and bone injuries. The same time, after the injury, the person getting a treatment, compulsory they would like to use diathermy device to relieve a pain. Next, what is the surgical purpose uses? What are the surgical purpose in diathermy uses? Mainly, the diathermy can be used three purpose. First one, coagulation. Second one, flagellation. Third one, cutting. What is the meaning of coagulation? Sealing of blood vessels. Flagellation, the destructive coagulation of tissue with charring. Cutting, used to divide devices during blood loss surgery. That main thing is, without blood loss surgery in the particular diathermy type, surgical diathermy machine can be used. It minimum level of cutting that area used to divide tissues during a blood loss surgery, the surgical diathermy can be used. This type of method in two. One is monopolar, second one is bipolar. We can see one by one what is the meaning of monopolar method and bipolar method. During the surgical diathermy, before entering monopolar, bipolar, in surgical diathermy can be used for three purposes. What are the three purposes? First one is coagulation, second one is flagellation, third one is cutting. First, we can see the monopolar method. What is the meaning of monopolar? When electrical current passes from one electrode and near the tissue to be treated to other fixed electrode, indifferent electrode, for example, elsewhere in the body. So that eventually in this type of electrode is placed in contact with buttocks or around the leg. So it is a common way, monopolar. So the when electric current passes from only electrode, it getting a near the tissue to be treated to other fixed electrode is a common electrode. In different electrode, usually in this type of electrode where it is located, it is placed in contact with the patient buttocks or around the leg. We can see how it can be used to treat a method. This is the monopolar method. Again, we already know that in electric current passed one electrode from the patient side, another electrode is contact with the patient buttocks or leg. So, my near tissue to be treated. In this particular near tissue only, we can able to treat in this type of method. Second, bipolar. What is the meaning of bipolar? When both electrodes are mounted on a same pen like a device and the electric current passes only through the tissue being treated. Both electrode, but in monopolar, what happened? The electric current passed from one electrode near the tissue being treated, but other electrode is a contact with the patient buttock or around the leg. It is like a reference electrode, but in bipolar method, both electrodes are mounted a same pen like a device, and electric current passes only through the tissue being treated. What is the main advantage of bipolar electrosurgery? Is that it prevents the flow of current through other tissue of the body and focuses only on the tissue in contact. But in monopolar, the surrounding tissue also it can be treated. But bipolar, when current passing the tissue of the body, but the focus only on the tissue is contact. That particular contact tissue only can be treated. So at the same time, in electrosurgery, is that prevents to the flow of current through other tissue of the body and focus only on the tissue in contact. We already know that is the main thing. So that is the purpose. Same pin like a device, an electric current passes only the tissue is contacted. This is useful for microsurgery. At the same time, the patient with cardiac pacemaker, the patient also with the help of bipolar, we can able to do the small type of surgical diathermy surgeries. This is the bipolar type. So in this bipolar type, the two electrode connected with the bipolar segment. So what happened in bipolar segment? Its two electrodes are connected at same place. So the pen-like device electric current passes the tissue. In this place, when which electrode is connected, that contact electrode only passing a electric current. Is it clear for everyone? So what are the unwanted effect on diathermy? We can see. Main in diathermy purpose to relieve a pain. At the same time, electrolyte surgery, blood loss surgery in bipolar monopolar method. Based on the patient, we can choose the types of diathermy. We already know the types of diathermy: short wave, long wave, microwave, ultrasound diathermy. These are the common waves. Each and everything have a special uses. The electromagnetic energy used in diathermy can cause extreme heat in metal devices such as bone pins, dental fillings, metal structures, causing burns. So these are the one of the major drawbacks. One patient affected some injury after getting the patient, bone pins are fixed inside the body. The patient particular area he or she getting a lot of pain. The patient without we can't able to treat with the help of diathermy because the electromagnetic energy is extremely producing a heat in metal devices. It is the one of the major unwanted efficiency drawback of diathermy. At the same time, during the diathermy treatment, the patient become part of the electric field. Touching a bar metal object happened during the cause shock or ban. Electrical shock also one of the major unwanted effect of diathermy. Is it clear? So these are the main electromagnetic energies are used in the diathermy to extreme heat. So the particular pain relief case, diathermy is the one of the best device to relieve of pain. But the patient once affected the injury, the particular patient fixed bones, pins, or dental fillings or metal structures, they can't able to use with the help of diathermy machine to relieve pain. Because the diathermy treatment, the particular electric field, if it is a metal structure or a bone pins inside the patient body, it can produce a overheat. It can be affected the patient's skin also. This is the major drawback. At the same time, the electrolytic shock, burning the tissue. These are the common affected in diathermy level. What are the risks associated with diathermy? One of the major associated with diathermy, every physiotherapy treatment center, they have a short wave and microwave diathermy. We know that short wave diathermy in local deep level tissue, we can able to treat with the help of short wave diathermy. We already know that 14.68 megahertz frequency level, we can able to treat the patient tissue. In microwave, we already know it can deeply penetrate the tissue, but not deeply penetrated a muscle inside the heart muscles. So some without doctors advice, they directly go the physiotherapy center. They are giving a treatment for with the help of diathermy machine to relieve pain. It is one of the major risks. Diathermy should be avoided the following cases. They don't know they are implanted the metal devices or not, but they are treating. At the same time, the peripheral vascular diseases type of patient, cardiac pacemaker implanted patient with restricted the blood supply, cancer patients, bleeding disorder patient, once now retrieved wound dressing patients, severe heart and liver injury patient. Now they are treated with lithotripsy. They came for kidney stones to relieve a pain. The pregnant ladies. These are the common risks associated with the diathermy. So we can, once we are treated with lithotripsy, the patient to grind, stone grind with the help of lithotripsy machine. Once they are grinded the stone, again they came for diathermy, because once diathermy they are used, easily they are getting a relief of pain. But it is a major risk for diathermy while the patient getting again stone treatment. After the stone treatment, directly they came for do the diathermy. It is the one of the major risks. At the same time, peripheral vascular tissue implanted the metal devices, pacemaker implanted patients, pregnant ladies, severe heart disease patient. At the same time, long-term chronic disease patient also will be affected while directly they are doing a diathermy machine. So now we are discussed about the diathermy. What is the use of diathermy? Why? The relief of pain, arthritics, back pain, wound, joints. These are the common benefit of diathermy. What are the types of diathermy? We already know that short wave diathermy, microwave diathermy, long wave diathermy, ultrasound diathermy. What is the frequency range of short wave diathermy? Up to 40. What is the frequency range of microwave diathermy? We already know. It is that deep penetrating in tissue. So 300 to 3000 megahertz. In ultrasound, what is the major benefit of ultrasound, short wave RF? What is the main difference between ultrasound and short wave? We already know. Ultrasound is in surrounding tissues, it getting a vibration. At the same time, if the tissue itself, it can be generated heat. It is a major advantages of ultrasound diathermy. Next, what is the use of long-term diathermy? For the patient, it's not possible to treat a short wave diathermy. They are prescribed for long term or long wave diathermy. We already know what is the range of short wave diathermy, 40.6 above 40.6 in long wave diathermy they are used. With the help of long wave diathermy, we can able to do the treatment. It can be relieve the patient. It's more better in compared to short wave diathermy. Okay, what are the risks associated with diathermy for the patients not able to do the diathermy treatment? We already know very clearly. Thank you all. It's a better thing to do the diathermy.